Hi guys, it's Aiden Daniels on this channel. Please like and subscribe because today we're gonna do a prank on someone named Saleh. So she's my aunt, you see. She's making food inside, so we're gonna do a prank. Let's see how she's gonna act. Comment how she's gonna act happy, like so something, okay. But please like and subscribe. Let's get this video to 50k likes. I'm just gonna see like and put the stuff right now. I did already, but it's making food. If she goes outside or inside somewhere in the home, then I'm gonna put the cameras and stuff that you can see like a nice view to watch. So please like and subscribe. Let this video hunt to 50k likes. No further ado, let's get into it. But okay guys, I'm not alone in this prank. My cousin here is gonna help me with the prank. Say hi.
Hi guys.
You see, but okay, he's gonna help me with the prank, so let's see how it's getting. So I think she's gonna be like mad if I do this, but this is not this. I'm still a beginner, so I don't know what pranks I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat more tomorrow and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get into it. My Instagram name is Aiden Riley 609, so please go get me on Instagram. So let's get into it. Yeah, so it's like she's standing there inside the home. So let's see how she's gonna do it. But I don't think she's gonna be like this man because it's just a little bit of water. If it was a lot of water, then she would be like she's gonna I'm gonna die or something like that stuff. So let's see how she reacts. But please guys, please like and subscribe for me, please. So let's get this camera ready for in action yet because she's standing right here by me. So see money here and all the stuff because that's a prank. And I'm gonna post more tomorrow in afternoons, like in every day, because I must post because you guys are asking me stuff and like that. So I need this video to go like viral and like a lot of views and stuff. So let's do it. Before I do, let's get into it. But see, I'm gonna say I'm gonna ask my cousin if you don't want to say something like for the views.
Yeah.
But she's about to put the food on the table, so let's see how it's gonna go on. But I'm just gonna like and talk to her. I'm gonna put the cameras and ask her like and stuff. But you see, so it's my cousin's mom, so
My is killing me, and I'm gonna do a prank on my mother.
she like and yeah. So let's go into it. Further ado, let's get into it. So like, can you see? She went outside. She went outside. So I'm gonna like you can see her stuff here. So like we're gonna do it like okay, okay. Let's do it.
Hey, 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 ook zie wat met de video aan het zien.
You go feel it, you go feel it. Moça, timela.
Eu para embaixo, mano. Tambala. Niet mij bakken.
Tapos soap, ito na lang dama ira.
Okay guys, sense of plans. Look what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna like and talk to her and like go up like and so I'm gonna hold the cup in my hand, the water, and then I'm gonna walk to her and let fall the water on her. then we're gonna see. But I'm not gonna do it like an how can I say? I'm just gonna let's get into it now.
I'm very sorry. Wah.
Nee, even.
Hah?
Brand niet zo.
Ja, gewoon niet zeker aan. Max, Harry, dan laat ik ons skat.
Hi.
Max, I want to teach you a lesson, what? Ja, mama. No.
Kijk, Aiden is ernstig met je gedaan. Nee, bezig is.
Wat is hij? Lieve arme Boeddha.
Hij wil nog even mijn bakje maken. Hij kan die blauw bakjes komen voor Empress en Pozzolana.
Boys, it's time to make the break. Yeah. Let's do it. Saleh, how is your life though? Is it good or something like that? Your life? Oh, how is? Okay, are you single or not? Are you taken or single?
I'm taken.
Okay. How is he? Do your boyfriend have a red flag? A red flag?
A red flag. Wat een red flag?
Iets dat niet kan doen.
A boy.
Okay, so you have a good time with him.
Yes, no.
Okay. God, I need just ask my aunt your questions here. So, yeah. Change of plans now. I don't know what I must do. So, must I do on my cousin or on my aunt? So, guys, the prank is gonna begin now. So, let's do it. Let's go in.
What's up, man?
No man. Oh, sorry. Answer Bok. How's your life with him? Because the fans are saying yeah.
Wat is ik met de fans te doen? Nee, dan fans vertellen.
Because he's busy eating, that's why you don't want to talk now. See? Just let's give her a chance to eat. Then we're coming back to you.
To eat first.
Guys, the plan didn't work, so how was I doing now? Yo, so I don't know how I was gonna do, but thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the video. So the plan didn't work out. I'm out. I gonna thank you.
Hij doet het expres.
Hij kan maar net 7 minuten na gooien.
Ayana, sorry. Finally, it's with the bang, brother, but I got her. So, I got her. And so, please like and subscribe. I'm out. 50k. Like, please hit that notification bell. Instagram. Please. So, I'm out.